guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thank you so much for joining me and welcome, and if you're not, welcome back. My name is Sierra. So today's video I am going to be doing a wash and go combo. Today I'm going to be testing out the Jelly Coconut Styling Gel from Kurlee Belle, as well as my Wetline Xtreme. So I'm going to be pairing these together to see if we get a lit wash and go. I've been in like this stage where I want to try out different combinations to see what's going to get me a good wash and go. And I believe that these are going to mix really nicely together. Let's go ahead and take this off. All right, so for my leave-in, I took the Earth Supply leave-in conditioner. And this is what it looks like. It has a really creamy, thick consistency. I was a little nervous, but as you guys know, I like to apply my leave-in in the shower. And I feel like that mixed with some water, we're gonna be a-okay. Yeah, because it's mixing good with the Wetline. Yeah, we're gonna get a good little mixture. Let's go ahead and hop into this video, but before we do, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, be sure to hit that subscribe button and that bell notification so you don't miss out on any of my uploads. And without further ado, let's jump to this video. Y'all, 7 months, I be talking, y'all, I be out of breath. If you hear that I'm out of breath, don't judge me. 7 months pregnant, okay? No judging. Get started. Like I said, I already applied my leave-in conditioner with a lot of water because, like I said, that leave-in conditioner is super thick and creamy. And I really like the leave-in conditioner. It gave my hair really nice slip and it smelled really good. So that is where we are. First thing I'm gonna do is take the styling gel from Kurlee Belle, and I'm gonna apply this. So next I'm gonna go ahead and take my Wetline gel and I'm gonna put that right on top. Y'all already know the drill. Wetline just is that girl. She knows how to just clump my curls really nicely, and we love to see it. It just does what it needs to do. Like, can we? Enough said. If you ever wonder why I always go in with Wetline gel, this is the reason, okay? Really the key to a pop and wash and go is water. You want your hair to be wet, not like soaking, but you do want it to be wet. Like, I just stepped out of the shower and I'm still going to spritz that section just because my hair absorbs better and the gel applies better when my hair is wet and less frizz too. Oh, this seems like it's gonna be a pretty lit combination. And another reason I like to apply more water, is if I go in with like a white creamy leave-in and I'm able to see like a lot of the residue, it just helps thin out that leave-in. And I find that helps with preventing flaking as well. So it's basically diluting the leave-in. So if you are trying to go in with like a thick white leave-in conditioner and you're like mixing the gels and it's getting cottage cheesy looking, before you rule it out, I would suggest mixing it with a little bit of water and then seeing how that applies, because I had that same problem with Kinky Curly Not Today and everybody was swearing by it, but I was getting clumps whenever I would do my patch test. But the key is you have to dilute the leave-in conditioner in order for it to have like a nice smooth blend. Doing a mixture of the smoothing method, y'all already know, like my technique hasn't really changed too much. The only thing really is I do more of a smoothing than a shingle, because I just feel like now my hair is pretty much trained for wash and goes, and yeah, my hair has just clumps nicely without having to shingle or anything like that. So this is what we are looking like right now. So far so good. Alright you guys, so this is what we are looking like right now. My curls are super clumped. I think that this is going to be a really good combo. Really excited to see how it turns out. So you guys already know the drill. I'm going to allow my hair to completely dry and then I will be back to show you guys my final results. So stay tuned. Alright you guys, so I just wanted to come on here and show you guys my result of this wash and go. I really like it. I'm surprised that this came out as popping as it did. Not that I had like negative thoughts or anything, but it is super defined. My curls are really, really nice. Now I was a little nervous because I didn't know if this was going to be, if I was going to get any flaking because of how creamy the leave-in conditioner was, but it ended up pairing really, really nicely with both gels. I love the overall result. Now this is just me stretching my hair. I have not picked it or fluffed it yet. I'm gonna just be chilling at home today, so I was like, I'll just wait until I actually wear my hair for me to, you know, show the girls some volume. But I just wanted to show you guys the overall look. I did not get any flaking, which I'm super happy about. So yeah, other than that, I'm really, really excited for how this turned out. This was a good combo, and I like how lightweight and flowy my hair is. It doesn't feel super weighed down, and my hair still feels moisturized. So this is an A in my book. I am on day 3 hair. This is what we are looking like, and I am in love. My curls are super defined. They're still very moisturized, and I love it. Each day it keeps getting bigger and bigger. Y'all know I love me some big voluminous hair. So here for it, and I just love how the curls are still intact and my hair is super defined still, but giving me volume, giving the girls volume, giving the girls I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys found it helpful. If you guys did, please be sure to thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comment section what other combos you guys would like me to try, and I will get those up for you guys. So I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.